Hey everyone, it's me, Lynn. This is a very last minute video, but I just finished doing my hair and I was wondering, for the people who don't know, the basics. Well, it's not basic because it took me a while to learn this. What to do after you done unbraid your hair. As you can see from my last video, I had my hair in for, I think a lot of weeks, 2 months. I did wash them with my braids on, but it's just different when, you took them out and re-washed them. So this is a video going through like steps what to do when you unbraid your hair. And before you unbraid your hair, just remember to use a type of detangler. What I used was castor oil. I'll show you the brand in just a minute here. Jamaican castor oil, and I just soak it all up and put some on my fingers and untwist it gently. And you can see the shrinkage is a lot. But don't worry, it's gonna be fixed soon because I have school tomorrow, so I have to get it fixed. So yeah, let's just get into it. I don't know if I'm gonna do a voiceover probably, but for the rest of these, but I put an elastic and I'm gonna cut my hair. This is a first for me because usually I do this last minute and just wash my hair like this, but parting your hair will like give you sections to work with, so you make sure you get all that grease in there. It hasn't been long since I washed my hair, so I don't need like a deep wash, so my hair is pretty clean, as you can see. So this is just for the video. Then you're gonna grab these elastics and like part your hair. My head big, very big, so this is gonna take a while and it's gonna take a lot of parts. I'm gonna lie, for having thick and like a lot of hair, these are pretty strong elastics. I have 2 parts right now, which my hair needs more, but I don't got time for that, so I just need 2 more. And like these are holding up. I don't know, I might just get these again. All right, definitely uneven, but let's get it over with. The reason I'm washing my hair, even though it's not dirty, because I washed it like 2 weeks ago or last week, is because I did bathe my hair in oil, and I feel like it's just too much. So, and look, I'm already having acne right here, so I just need a little rinse. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and yeah, just this is the shampoo I'm using, by the way. This, and then I'm gonna hop out. I'm not gonna use conditioner because like I said, my hair is not that dirty. It is tangled though, so, and I'm gonna use this leave-in conditioner afterwards. So yeah, let's do this. All right, so okay, so I took my shower. Your hair should be looking a little like this, a little falling off the edges, fall off the bone. But I didn't even go rough my hair since I told you I wasn't. But okay, what you'll be needing is, I got this because for some reason they ran out of the big can, which is like, look at my big head. This is gonna last me like, I don't know, man, but this is the oil I use to detangle it. And I'm gonna put this after to like glaze it. But this time you just need to like do the same thing, part, and then I don't know why my voice is like this, but part and just cover it with that leave-in conditioner and braid. And then the next morning you could do any style you want and your hair won't feel dry or crusty or matted from your sleeping. So it's a win-win situation for everyone. Your scalp, your hair, and your stress about going to school, or can you guys see? Yeah, I think I'm gonna section them into 3 big parts because 4, no, that ain't gonna work, not for me at least. But yeah, do how many parts your hair you feel like your hair needs. So this is the first part. Look at that, one eye got red from the shampoo. Oh, it's so It's very irritated. Look at that. Oh, why did I touch my face? I did my skincare, by the way, which was, I should probably done it after this step because it might get a little messy. Don't be scared to don't forget to hold the roots, but comb it in there. Put a little more. Nah, this feels weird. It's like melting. I don't know if that's better, but I never use this. I've never used this brand cream. Yeah, Cream of Nature. That's all they have left. And I knew I really wanted to unbraid my hair by this week, Easter week. Yesterday was Easter Sunday. I hope you had a great Sunday. Ooh, by this time this come out, I don't know if it's gonna be way past it, but I'm starting to look like it's the Polar Express. Okay. Okay, let me just do it for the rest of this. So, all right, it's done. So after you're done that, after you put all, part it and do that, you'll be ready for the next morning to, don't forget your bonnet. You'll be ready for the next morning to style how you want. I'm not gonna style it with braids or anything because I don't got the money right now, but yeah, I'm probably gonna do a bun even though that makes my head hurts. And I'll probably put a poster if I ever do it the next morning, which I'll probably do. So thank you for watching the video. Bye. Love, Lynn.